Join McCabe's in the kitchen today with a great soup recipe, perfect for a cold night. It's her Italian sausage soup.
I've got bulk Italian sausage going here in my stock pot. I have cooked it until it's no longer pink. Now I've added in onions, some celery, a little garlic, and next I'm going to add in the fennel. Now, if you've never used fennel, I'm going to show you how to cut it up to put it in your soup. But this is the way it looks when you buy it in the store. First thing, we're going to chop off the top green part and just discard that. Then I like to cut the bottom off. Next, I'm going to cut straight down through the middle. And you'll see there's a little core right here. We're just going to roughly chop that out. Discard that. Then I like to just slice it down the middle. We're going to cut it in about 1/4 inch slices. And this is what we'll add to our soup. I've added the fennel to the pot. And next I'm going to add in some red pepper flakes, a little salt, freshly ground pepper. Then I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of white wine, and I'm just going to stir that a bit to deglaze the pan. Get up all that good flavor. Some chicken broth is next. And then I'm going to add 2 cans of cannellini beans that I've drained and rinsed, along with 1 can of fire roasted tomatoes. And there's no need to drain those tomatoes. Just add them out of the can. Give this a stir, let it come to a boil, then set it on simmer for about 10 minutes. Look at this soup. I wish you could smell my kitchen right now. Our soup is ready, and let me show you how I like to serve it. I've got some freshly ground Parmesan cheese that I'm just going to sprinkle on top, just adding more and more flavor. And then a little fresh chopped rosemary. Delicious. While our soup was simmering, I toasted some baguettes, and they're the perfect size to just add to the bowl and actually dunk in the bowl while you're eating the soup. It's so delicious that way. For the recipe, go to joymccabe.com. That's JOYMCCABE, or you can find the recipe on WBIR.com. Enjoy this soup. It's great comfort food and the perfect thing to make on these cold winter days. Thanks everybody, and see you soon.